Hello, welcome back to my channel, Castella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to see more interesting recipes. Today we're going to make a sweet potato rice cake. At this time of year, sweet potato is in season. Especially roasted sweet potato is one of my favorite food. It'll warm up your body in this chilly weather. If you come to Korea, you'll see a lot of street vendors sell this food. So if you're ready, let's get started. Cut the sweet potato into a bite. Dice it up so the sweet potato is done really fast. I'm gonna use two kinds of sweet potato. One is yellow and the other one is white. The yellow one is a hybrid of pumpkin and sweet potato. It is sweeter and moister than the white ones. The white one is a regular sweet potato. I'll use yellow one as a rice cake, which covers the outside, and white one as a filling inside. Steam them for 30 minutes in a medium heat. Poke them using a chopstick. When they're done, it'll smoothly go through it. Put them in a bowl. Crush them using a wooden spoon. Then, I'll evaporate the water inside the steamed yellow sweet potato. Put 100 grams of steamed sweet potato in a pan without oil. Stir them for 6 minutes. Put 200 grams of glutinous rice flour in a bowl. Put 100 grams of mashed yellow sweet potato. Mix them using hands. Put a handful amount of glutinous rice flour and sweet potato in your hands and rub it using your palm. In this way, the sweet potato would properly mix with the glutinous rice flour and make a yellow color afterwards. Put a wet cotton cloth on a pot and lump dough together. The reason why I'm doing this is to give a space for steam to get inside the pot. Steam them for 30 minutes in a medium heat. While we are waiting for rice cakes to be done, let's make a sweet potato filling. Put 1/4 cup of water. Put 5 teaspoons of sugar. Put 5 teaspoons of cooking syrup. Stir them all together using a wooden spoon for 4 minutes. Cool them down for 15 minutes. Then lump the sweet potato filling for 20 grams each, rolling them between your palm. When rice cake dough is done, take them out from the pot. Brush the oil on your gloves and cutting board so that rice cake wouldn't stick to it. I'll use a special glove that is designed to make a rice cake dough. If you don't have this in your home, you can layer several gloves and wear it instead. When they're still hot, make a dough for 5 minutes. Then, put 2 teaspoons of sugar and make a dough for 3 minutes. When you put the sugar inside the dough, the viscosity of the dough will increase. Put 2 more teaspoons of sugar and make a dough for 3 minutes. When you're done, loop them for 15 minutes to cool them down. Cut the brownish part of Castella and slice them into separate pieces. Put them in a food processor and grind them for 3 minutes. Flip it upside down with a wooden stick. Grind them again until they become a fine particle. Cut the sweet potato dough for 30 grams each. And then spread it evenly using hands. Put a sweet potato filling inside and enclose them using hands. Roll the sweet potato ball on a Castella powder. It is done! It is so chewy and sweet. The soft texture of sweet potato is melting inside my mouth. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And please leave a comment if you have any ideas about this video. See you next time. Bye bye.